Alright guys, this is a different video. Today we got the Autozone um, April 2 to April 29th. Basically, monthly ad. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. So yes, this is an ad from Autozone. I don't know if you have an Autozone near you, but you can probably get it online too, not just in the store. So it says get 7 off your next $30 purchase. I can't really see. But for more details, you can go to Autozone.com and get all those details for that sale. But you got the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic for $29.99. See, I'm just gonna go over these real quick because we're basically a tool channel and we want to look at tools. But I'm just gonna go over this real quick because they are related to tools, and cars and stuff like that. So Valvoline Modern Engine Full Synthetic, $33.99. For the oil, I like to shop at Walmart. I always like to look at Walmart's, see what they have. But Autos is probably going to be your more specific oils, and you'll find all kinds of types of oils for your vehicle. Sometimes you won't find all that selection at Walmart, but you will find your basic oils and your more common parts, which are filters and stuff like that. That's where I usually try to get all my stuff, but Autozone will carry just about anything for any vehicle. We already went over that. This one is the Lucas Complete Fuel Treatment, 2 for $8. You got the Valvoline Max Life, $25.99. This is for higher mileage vehicles. Valvoline Daily Protection Conventional Motor Oil, $24.99. You got the Valvoline Max Life Automatic Transmission Fluid, 2 for $12. And this is the big jug. Valvoline Max Life Automatic Transmission Fluid, or $23.99. You got the Autozone Brake Cleaner for 2 for $5. Yeah, every time I'm doing a brake job or something, I always get 2 cans of these anyway, so it's a good thing they have them on sale. Quaker Steak Conventional High Mileage, $22.99. Does it include an oil filter? Yeah. Does it include it? Yeah, up to $4.99 as an oil filter. Quaker State Full Synthetic Motor Oil, $26.98. Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but or if you guys know, but I just bought a new, not a new truck, but a newer truck, and my truck gets full synthetic. So I'm probably going to be buying just the full synthetic oils from now on. So newer vehicles, that's how they are. Pensoil High Mileage Motor Oil, $27.99. Pensoil Platinum Full Synthetic High Mileage Motor Oil, $33.99. Says STP Motor Oil starting at $16.99. Alright, we got some tools here. Duralast 2-ton jack stands. You pay $22.49, save $4. And you can buy them online because it does say added to the cart, added to the list. Duralast 2-ton trolley jack. You pay $34.99. You got the Duralast 3-piece universal joint for just under $10. You got the Duralast 18-inch breaker bar, $14.99. You got the slime through core tire sealants, $8.99. Got a spark plug there, Autolite XP spark plugs. Guess depending on vehicle. You got the Noco Genius battery charger, $29.99. Yeah, and Uncle makes some great tools there. With Duralast 800 Max or Duralast 800 mAh battery maintainer, you pay $12.99. You got some Bosch Evolution wiper blades, $8. Actually, I went to Costco the other day and I got them for $6. Probably $5.99. Not these, but they were Michelin. So I'll let you guys know, see if they still are in Costco. STP oil treatments, $3.99 to $8.29. You got super concentrated fuel injection cleaner, $6.49. Buy one get one free. Blaster penetrating, catalyst penetrating, lithium grease, $5.49 to $5.99. Buy one get one free. Motor oil treatment spray cleaner, lube, $10.49 to $13.99. GDI cleaner, $14.99. You got the premium car wash bucket, $20, so it includes all this. I'm gonna go over all these, but I guess it includes all these items here. See if I can get it closer. Probably car wash, detailed tire wax, and the sponge and microfiber there. Armor All multi-pack wipes, $9.99. Observer XL, $12.99. Turtle wax, $5.99. Black Magic Intense Wet and Dry Spray Aerosol, $7.99. Got some microfiber cloth, $4.99. ProLite 50-pack microfiber towels, $19.99. Alright, I'm not gonna go over all of them. Yeah. We got some Tire Shine Armor All, $4.99. We already saw that. We got the Garage 6-inch random orbital kit, $59.99. $159.99. Alright, looks like that's it for today's short video. It looks like we just had a couple tools here from Duralast, Autozone. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.